Here, for some people, the next button is not available because of mismatching their bootable device version and their hard disk partition version, which is called GPT and MBR. Hello viewers, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to install any version of Windows 10 on your PC. Let's start the video. Mount your bootable pendrive on your PC. I don't have any pendrive, so I made an SD card bootable and I mounted it on my PC. Now turn your PC on and press F8 until an interface would appear. Here select UEFI mass storage device by pressing arrow keys and hit enter. Here this interface would appear and asking your Windows activation key. If you are reinstalling your Windows or if you don't have any activation key, you can select I don't have a product key. Now select the Windows version you want to install and click on next. Here tick check mark I accept the license terms and click on next and select custom install Windows only. Here for some people the next button is not available because of mismatching their bootable device version and their hard disk partition version, which is called GPT and MBR. To solve this, you have to make bootable your device on correct format, or you have to format your hard disk by enter into a command prompt. Before that, you have to see your drive number here. My drive is drive 0. To enter command prompt, press shift and F10 at once. Now type disk part. Sorry, I typed wrong. Disk part. Follow this. And press enter. And you have to select your disk. I saw my drive is 0. Type SEL for select and DISK disk and your number. And press enter. Now type clean and press enter. Bear in mind that you are going to format your hard disk and no data would be available. Hard disk is cleaned successfully. Now close the command prompt. Here are the same states of the partitions we saw before. Now click on refresh to see your hard disk partition's actual state. You can create a new partition if you need. I need, and that's why I am creating a new partition. Type your partition size in megabyte. And click on apply and here OK. Now next option is available and you can also extend your partition. Click on next and Windows installation has started. Now nothing is need to do, just watch your monitor and wait. Here a little bit of time may need, keep patience. And I have forwarded the video fastly because if I keep the original video it would be a longest video. Your PC may restart several times, so just wait and see. Windows installation is about to end and one more step is left. Just do it. Here select your region. I am from Bangladesh and that's why I am selecting Bangladesh. Now click on yes. Now select the keyboard layout you want to add and click on yes, and you can also add another. I am adding another. Select the another one and click on next. Again click on add layout and wait for next step. You can connect your PC to finish full setup or select I don't have internet. You can connect your PC to internet to sync with Microsoft account. I don't have internet and so I click on continue with limited setup. Click there to enter next step. Again your PC is restarting and wait for the next step. Perhaps there was a problem. I click on I don't have internet to continue with limited setup, and you can type here your name, your PC name or your enterprise name, then click on next. Accept the privacy terms here and continue and wait for the next. Windows installation is about complete. Just wait. Windows installation has completed. See, my bootable drive format was MBR and I have to eject this. I have ejected that. I also need to locate unallocated drive storage. Type disk management on your search bar and open create and format hard disk partition. This interface will appear and click on the hard disk option and right click on this and select new simple volume and click on next and next and next and finish. Now your hard disk partition is also ready to use. Thanks for watching the video. If you need help, comment below. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe this channel and stay tuned to us.